All right, friends, to keep this simple, I know you already have a movie in here, but it's gonna be a lot easier if we just start another new one just for this trick for green screens. So I'm gonna go to iMovie. I'm gonna come down to Start New Project and then Movie, and then Create Movie with nothing in it. Now, I'm gonna go to Albums, and I have given you a whole bunch of amazing background photos there. And to see them up closer, you just push down and hold, and it'll give you an idea what that image looks like. Pretty cool. All right. And then when you find one that you like, let's say that I'm doing one with fish. I like this one. I'm going to tap, make sure. Yep, I like that one. I'm going to go to the plus sign. Just drop that down onto the counter. And you'll be able to do this in your own project as well. Now it moves. I don't know if you can tell, but this is moving here. And the way that you solve that is you tap on the image, and I'm gonna go to Ken Burns Disable. That just makes it so that now the background does not slide. I'm not doing a slideshow today, so I don't need that. All right, now I'm gonna go back to green screen animals. And yours might not be in here, that's okay. I just wanna practice with this. Then you can go back and find yours later. Okay, so using one of these 5 here, I'm going to tap on it, and then instead of doing the plus sign, I have to do green screen, so I'm going to go to the 3 dots here. And then it says green screen, blue screen, right? So once again, find the animals that you want. Do not tap on the plus sign. Instead, because I need to put this up on top. Instead, go to the 3 dots, and then green, blue screen. Dun, da, da. And then it takes a couple seconds to process. And then there we go. Da, 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 da. Now, you see the problem, right? The background over here, because this green screen is not covering the whole background. So cool, simple solution. I'm going to tap on the one with the animals on it. Okay, remember you have to highlight it in order to get your tools down there. So I'm going to highlight it. And then up here, there's a little box. And I'm going to drag these corners down to hide that green, the lack of green screen. And now, go back to the beginning. And there we go, dinos underwater. Just remember that the green screen has to be put on the tippy top. And the way to do that is not with the plus sign, but with the 3 dots. And I think you have to do the background first. I'm just curious. Let's just see what happens if I do the animal first. Oh, look, it doesn't even give me 3 dots to work with. So yes, I have to go back and do the background first. And now, oh, I got to keep it still. So I'm going to go here and disable Ken Burns. And then I'm going to go back to the animals. I want this to be green screen, tippy top, so not the plus sign. Instead, here, and then green, blue screen, and give it some time, and there we go. Da-da-da. Now, if this video goes longer than the clip on the bottom there, there's a solution to that. I'm gonna tap on the background, and I'm gonna come down to where it says duplicate. That's just gonna make it longer, so now I get the whole story there. Now I've got some left over here that I probably don't want. So how do you do that? You tap on it, and then you just drag this to make it shorter. And then you drag this in to make it shorter, and then there you go.